Now I hope you people got what is a stream. If you want to process objects from the collection, then we should go for what? Stream concept, right? Now let me talk a simple example which provides a basic idea how to use a streams concept. Sir, I didn't explain anything about stream, just I know only one word in my mind. Streams concept we can use to process objects from the collection. With that knowledge, let me hit one small application so that you will get basic idea first, and then individual parts we will discuss soon. Just observe a bit carefully, sir. I have one array list is there, sir. Listen this one. Array list of integer. Array list of integer. L is equal to new array list of integer, right? I have one array list object is there. Sir, I hope everyone aware what is this angular brackets cinema. Angular brackets means what? Generics. This array list can hold only integer type of objects. It's the generic version of array list, right? Now I'm taking L dot add of 0 I added. Sir, 0 element I added. L dot add of 10 I added. L dot add of 20 I added. Are you getting? 0, 10, 20. Similarly, L dot add of 5 I added. L dot add of 15 I added. L dot add of 25 I added. Observe that, sir. I am taking in the same line because just while coding we have to take in the multiple lines, you know, right? If I print SOP of L, SOP of L, what is the answer we will get? Sir, I created which collection? Array list. Array list insertion order will be preserved or not? Yes. That's why what answer by default we are going to get? 0, 10, 20, 5, 15, 25. This is the answer by default we are going to get, sir. Now my requirement is, observe that. I don't know streams concept. I know streams concept. What is your coding difference? Coding style. Style is going to be changed with the streams concept. Just observe my requirement. Can you please list out here which elements are there first? 0, 10, 20, 5, 15, 25. Some even numbers are there. Some odd numbers are there. Okay. Luckily all the numbers are divisible by 5. Even numbers and odd numbers are there, sir. Now my requirement is, can you please list out all even numbers from this collection? Can you please list out? Can you please filter all even numbers from this collection into another list? That's about my programming requirement. Is it clear, right? I have one list is there. In this list some numbers are there. In those numbers either even numbers are there, odd numbers are there. Now my programming requirement is, can you please filter the elements, only even numbers from the list into new list. That's about my requirement, right? Sir, now I will explain without the streams. Sir, I don't know about the streams concept. Without the streams until 1.7 version, how our style of coding. With the streams concept, from 1.8 version onwards, what is the difference? I will explain, sir. Sir, basic idea. Don't worry about, sir, I don't know about filter method, I don't know about map method, I don't know stream method, like, don't worry. All these things I will discuss in detail. First, you have to get the basic idea first. Okay? Now, my requirement is, I want to list out all values into a new list. But in that new list should contain only even numbers. That's why let me create one list objects. List of integer L1 is equal to, list of integer L1 is equal to new array list of integer, like I took, sir. I created one array list object, a new array list object to hold integer type of objects. Next, for each integer I1 in L. Sir, for every integer present in this L, present inside L, if I1 percentage 2 double equal to 0. If I1 percentage 2 double equal to 0. Sir, if it is the even number, can you please add that number to this new list? L1 dot add of I1. Are you getting that? So observe the coding. For every integer present in the main list, okay, if that integer is even number, can you please add to the newly created list? Now let me print system.out.println of L1. What is the answer, sir? Can you please guess? What is the answer we are going to get? Please, 0, next 10, and then 20 is the answer. So this is our style until 1.7 version. But from 1.8 version, once a streams concept came in the picture, then our coding style by default is going to be changed, sir. Make sure what that style. For the same requirement, how many lines of the code I require to write? Take very special care, sir. Here how many lines I am adding? Sir, 1 line, 2 line, 3rd line, and so on for each loop, dot. But same requirement I want to write by using streams concept. Observe that. Sir, with the streams concept. With the streams concept, from which version onwards, sir? 1.8 version onwards. What is our coding style? For the same requirement, what is my target is, observe that. Sir, I want list of integer. Okay, L1 is equal to. I want a new list of integer, L1 is equal to. What is the main list? L dot stream. What is the method we have to call, sir? Can you spell out? L dot stream method. Okay, we have to call which method? L dot stream method, which is going to provide stream. Now by using this stream, I can process. Sir, I want to filter elements based on even number or not. So what on this stream you have to call which method, sir? Filter method. Don't worry, I will discuss in detail what is about filter method, what is about stream method. First get the basic idea. Filter method, which conditions are based on some boolean condition. Okay, what is that boolean condition? If the number is greater than if the number is even or not. If I will give I, then what condition we have to check? I percentage 2 is equal to 0 or not. This is the boolean condition I have to check, sir. Regarding this is the boolean condition I have to check. Sir, now filter. Can you please collect such a type of values? What is the method we have to call? Collect of okay, collectors dot to list. Collectors dot to list. Oh, don't worry about this terminology. I will discuss in detail. Just get the basic idea. Can you please get the stream for my collection? Now I got the stream. Sir, by using this stream point into collection, can you please filter based on this condition? What is your condition? For every integer, if it is the even or not, such type of integers can you please collect to so and so list. Collectors dot to list. Now, sir, this list is ready. Okay, system.out.println of L1, sir. Regarding SOP of L1, what is the answer by default we are going to get? 0, 10, 20, same answer only. Are you getting? Sir, now take a bit very special care about this terminology, sir. Normal collection, normal code, and the stream, the code with the streams. How much easy, sir? Here how many lines of the code I wrote, but here in a single line, the total cinema is going to be completed, sir. Sir, I want only even numbers. Based on this condition, all the elements will be filtered. The result by default we are going to get in the new list. If I print SOP of L1, what is the answer by default we are going to get, sir? Okay, sir, this answer. Are you in a position to understand that basic idea? But what is the filter? What is the stream? How to get and so on? on, don't worry about this terminology, I will explain. So streams concept is a helpful concept or not? Yes, make sure sir, you should aware. Okay, sir, now is a clear, right? Sir, how you can use a stream concept to process elements from the collection? Just a basic idea purpose I covered. Just whatever I discussed here, let me execute so that it's whether really it's working or not we can able to decide. Okay, have a look once, sir. Sir, here I took some java.util and java.util.stream. Okay, what is the purpose I will explain anyway, don't worry about that. Next, I took one array list of integers, sir. Yes, I took one array list of integer L.add of 0, 10, 20, 5, 15, 25. Sir, total how many elements I added? 6 elements I added. SOP of L. Then obviously, what is the answer by default we are going to get, sir? 0, 10, 20, 5, 15, 25. What is the reason? Because in the array list, insertion order will be preserved. Now I am using L.stream. Sir, L.stream, and then can you please filter elements of this L by using the stream based on this condition, whether it is the even number or not. So after that, can you please collect these values to the collectors dot to list. Now I will get a new list object and SOP of L1. Sir, whatever I explained on the board, the same thing only, the same code only, sir. Now let me execute this code, sir. Java C test.java. Happily the code compiles fine. Java tester. But the answers are, have you observed? Only even numbers by default we can able to get. Okay, 0, 10, 20. So perfectly this line is working and the corresponding output we are going to get. Is it clear for all of you, right? That's all, sir. This is about just a basic idea how to use a stream concept. But anyway, what the purpose of each method, all those things I will discuss in detail. Don't worry about that, sir. Okay, sir. Next, one more small example I want to take. What is my example is, listen this one. Here, from the collection, I filter elements based on some condition. Correct, right? But now I don't want to filter. I don't want to filter. For every element present in the collection, perform some operation, some multiplication, some addition. For every element, can you please create new element by performing that particular operation? Suppose my requirement is, in the collection, there are some integers are there. I want a new collection object where each element is, sir, double value of original collection. Are getting in the original collection 5 is there. Now in this collection 10 should be there. In the original collection some 7 is there. In the result collection 14 should be there. Just a double its value. That's about my requirement, right? How you can write. Here we should not filter. We have to create mapped objects in the result. How you can able to do without streams? With the streams I will show the difference, right? So what is our requirement? It's a very clear for you people, right? So in the collection a group of elements are there. I want a new collection where each element is the double of original element. That's about our requirement, right? Sir, very simple. Without streams until 1.7 version, how we can able to do that? Just observe this carefully, sir. For each integer I1 in L. Same example, sir. This is my original list. Original list contain how many elements are? 6 elements are there. Now, for each integer I1 in L, what I am doing here is, observe, L1 dot add of I1 into 2. Can you please double every element and add that element to this new list, system.out.println of L1, sir. Can you please tell what is the output by default you are going to get, sir? Yeah, 0 will be double 0, 10 will be doubled 20, 20 will be doubled 40, 5 will be doubled as 10, 15 will be doubled as 30, 25 will be doubled as 50. Are you getting? This is the output I have to get, sir. Are you getting? So my requirement is can you please create a new list where every element is the double original list. Clear, right? Sir, am I user streams concept or not? No. Without the streams, how you can write the code? Now my requirement is, I want to use streams concept, right? For the streams concept, how we can use, with the streams concept, how you can do the same. Have you observed how much code I wrote? Almost around 5 or 6 lines of the code I wrote. But with the streams, how many lines of the code is required? 1 line is more enough. Remember that. Let me write list of integer L1 is equal to. List of integer L1 is equal to. For the original list, can you please create stream? Can you please create stream? Now I created one stream, sir. Now stream is ready. On this stream, sir, earlier I used a filter, but now I don't want to filter. I want to create for every object an equivalent object. Mapping I want to do that. That's why map. Based on which function you require to create mapped objects, right? If I provide I value, then what I have to do? I into 2 we have to return. Are you getting that? If I provide I value, I into 2, this is the function. Based on this function, can you please create mapped objects? Like this I'm taking. Dot L dot stream dot map of I gives I dot 2. Clear? Dot collect. Can you please collect? Sir, collectors dot to list. Collectors dot to list. Like this I'm taking, sir. Observe a bit carefully. To list. Collectors dot to list. Now I got list of integer. Can you please print system.out.println of L1? What is the answer we are going to get? For every element, have you observed? 0 is there, double. 10 is there, 20. 20 is there, 40. Next up 5 is there, 10. 15 is there, 30. Next up 25 is there, 50. Like this. Are you getting? Now, so you people got a bit basic idea how you can use a streams concept. Is it advantage concept or not? Yes, obviously. On the collection, if you want to perform bulk operation, definitely we can go for streams concept. Streams concept is going to reduce length of the code like anything. Remember that. So obviously, highly recommended to use streams concept. Right? Clear? Sir, let me execute this code so that you people can feel more comfortable. Right? Have a look once. Sir, this is about my original array list. Array list of integer L is equal to new array list of integer L dot add of 0, 10, 25, 15, 25 SOP of L. Okay, now I got this one, sir. But I want a list of integer L1, L dot stream. Can you please tell what we have to do, sir? Here, map method we have to call. What is the method, sir? Map method. If I will provide I, then what is the function I have to do, sir? I dot 2. Map of I dot I into 2. Next, collectors dot to list. Now, have a look once, just for every element present in the original collection. Can you please create equivalent object with multiplication by 2 like this, right? Now, let me execute this code, sir. Yes, compiles fine. What is the answer? Have you observed, right? Sir, for this equivalent collection I am generating, where every element will be doubled. Okay, 0 will be doubled 0, 10 will become 20, 20 will become 40, 5 will become 10, 15 will become 30, 25 will become 50. Are you getting that? Okay, sir, make sure this is how to use map, just the basic idea purpose, right? Clear? Clear for all of you, right? Okay, sir, what is the streams concept? What is the advantage of streams concept? Sir, old approach, streams approach. Streams approach is always recommended because it reduces length of the code like anything. Are you in a position to understand, right? Now, if you feel comfortable up to this, just a basic idea, then we will discuss how to create stream. What is the stream? Is it a class or interface? Present in which package? All those things in detail we have to discuss. Clear, right?